Don't worry, guys. It turned the other way, and it's heading straight for...
Look out!
Oh, that's nice. Look for you, boss.
Is he gonna burst?